In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with HubSpot CRM. Let's dive right into it, starting with the ClickUp platform. First, make your way over to ClickUp by logging into your account. Once you're in, take a look at the top where you'll notice your workspace name prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This is going to be your gateway to further settings you need to access for this integration. Now, when you see a menu, look for the settings option and click on it. The settings menu is where you'll manage and configure various integrations and apps. It's a powerful feature of ClickUp that allows your workspace to connect seamlessly with other tools you might use daily. In the settings menu, keep an eye out for the App Center tab. Click on this and you'll open up a world of possibilities, as the App Center acts as your one-stop shop for all available integrations on ClickUp. Once you're in the App Center, you're going to need to leverage the search bar to find the HubSpot integration we're setting up today. Simply type HubSpot into the search bar and press enter. This should immediately bring up the HubSpot integration among the options listed. When you see the HubSpot entry appear, click on it. The interface should bring up further options for managing this specific integration. You'll now want to click on the Manage button. This is the section where you control and enforce the integration specific settings, and it's crucial for the next steps. Next, look for the option that reads Add to HubSpot and click on it. At this moment, it's important to note that while this button initiates the connection between ClickUp and HubSpot, you might encounter a notice about needing to upgrade to a different plan. This is because certain app integrations may require an upgraded account tier. But don't worry, if an upgrade isn't an option for you right now, there is an alternative solution. You can utilize a tool called Zapier, which is a fantastic way to connect ClickUp and HubSpot without needing to upgrade. Zapier acts as an intermediary that can facilitate workflows between different apps like ClickUp and HubSpot, ensuring that your productivity tools communicate effectively while maintaining maximum efficiency. And there you have it. You've just learned how to integrate ClickUp with HubSpot CRM using the available options and explored an alternative method that can suit varying needs or budgets. Remember to always choose the method that best meets your workflow requirements and organizational needs. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. Stay